Check batch 7, segment 4.
Confirmed. Matches the manifest.
We are aligned. 위정 연구호 시작인 today.
These heavy steel trunnions are the pivot points for the 155mm cannon. Engineers use high tensile bolts.
The forged barrel is mounted on a massive lathe. A specialized drill bit carves the 155.
A precision rifling machine cuts the spiral grooves into the barrel. The cutter head rotates at a precise rate, creating the twist that stabilizes the shells.
Cooled with liquid nitrogen, the barrel slides into the heated breech ring. The resulting equalization of temperature creates an unbreakable mechanical bond.
Alignment looks good from here. Laser is steady.
Confirmed. Moving the scope past section 4 now. Rifling is flawless.
All right, lift your end. Got it. Does this clear the ammo rack mount? Just barely. Push it flush. Harness is fully seated in the bulkhead.
Confirmed.
Starting the securing clips now.
All right, easy now. Just a fraction more to the starboard side.
Confirmed alignment on the mounts. Set her down.
Okay, easy now. Watch the alignment. Right there. That's it.
With the final pin driven home by the hydraulic press, the locking nut secures the connection, making the vehicle fully mobile.
Secure the wiring harnesses to the ammo rack supports. Done.
The commander's display is initializing.
Keep it coming down slowly. Okay, it's seated. Hand me the torque wrench for the lines. Right here. Hold the hoist right there. Bring it down just slightly. Looks aligned. Hand me the pin. I'm going in. Easy, E. Bring it down slow. Looks good, centered. All right, she's locked in.
Suspension stress is within parameters. No fluid leakage detected.
Turret remains locked. Test successful.
The Paladin is driven into the deep water pit, testing the integrity of the door gaskets and air intakes.
Heat signature is consistent across the barrel.
No stress detected. System is calibrated and ready. Audio is dominated by the deep, rumbling roar of a powerful diesel engine idling and another.
Target locked. Requesting permission to engage.
Cleared hot. Fire when ready, gunner.
The automatic fire suppression system is designed to extinguish any blaze in milliseconds, a critical safety feature for the crew.
The tanks give the Paladin the range it needs for long-duration missions. The tan paint on the covers matches the rest of the hull perfectly.
Data throughput is nominal. All channels are green. Paladin is networked. Auxiliary power unit online. Systems check complete. We are running silent.